I mean, I would not say there is a very specific section of the economy that maybe would be better or not. But I do believe, so far I know, in Slovenia, you have high skills, you have very talented people, and I do believe that one area in which maybe Slovenia could help Brazil is adding value to our manufacturers, for instance. The area of bioindustry, biomedicals, for instance, maybe also the pharmaceutical area, the area of electricity, the automotive industry. So I would name many areas, but I mean those areas are the one which Brazil is in search of having more advanced technology for our products. So I would maybe concentrate first of all in this area. But I'm sure even with those people from Ceará coming here, Brazil is a federal republic, so we have, 26 Brazilian states. Each one has a vocation, each one has its own profile as unity of the federation, and each one has maybe something more to offer than others, or different areas in which we can work together. But as I'm trying to say, it's just a question of a moment of crisis. This crisis in Europe is not only Europe, all over the world. We should be very creative and try to find out the ways to sort out of the situation. And I believe in joint ventures with the Brazilian companies, which could together develop maybe some very interesting products or services. The Brazilian market is very promising. As maybe you have heard, since the last 20 years, the Brazilian middle class has expanded enormously. More or less 20 to 30 million people enter the so-called middle class. So they are the ones that constitute the new demand for the whole economy. We have also discovered oil in the Brazilian platforms, so that means that we need also talents, people who can help us to develop all these high technological challenges that we have to face in the next few years. So I believe that the Brazilian market is very good, is expanding. The political institutions in Brazil are very stable. The Brazilian economy is, of course, it reflects the crisis here in Europe, it reflects in Brazil in a way, but we are, let's say, the Brazilian economy is quite stable as well as politically. And so I believe that is a country that can offer many opportunities for Slovenes.
The young entrepreneurship in Brazil, it is something that we'll be counting on to bring the development to our country. Having such a young country as Slovenia, with so much development in such a short time, if you compare from 91 to now, we can use this example to set our role models and bring our experience as entrepreneurs here and exchange what you have best and what you have best and what we have best.